Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. In this video, we'll introduce you to standard deviation functions and the differences between them. The standard deviation is a number that tells you how far numbers are from their mean. Please note that this video does not provide a review of the mathematical concept itself, but rather it describes how each standard deviation function is used in Excel. In Excel, there are two standard deviation functions. The first is standard deviation.s, and the second is standard deviation.p. The differences are that standard deviation.s is applicable for a sample set of data, while standard deviation.p should be used when the data represents an entire population. Both are used when data is numeric, meaning the function will ignore text and logical values. Note that for large sample sizes, standard deviation.s and standard deviation.p return approximately equal values. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the dataset to practice the functions yourself.